Hello guys, welcome back to 1 Minute IT Shot. If you've ever finished a complex edit in CapCut Pro only to get hit with that paywall pop-up right at the export screen, you know how frustrating that is. Today, I'm showing you a legitimate, clean, and fast way to export your projects without the watermark. No hacks, no cracks, just a clever use of how CapCut processes files. Let's get into it. First, if you don't have CapCut, download the latest version from the official website. Once installed, edit your video as normal. Go ahead and use those 4K effects, premium stickers, and pro transitions. Now here is the secret. Instead of clicking Export, go to your timeline. Press Ctrl+A to select everything, right-click, and select Create Compound Clip. Now right-click that new compound clip and select Pre-Process Compound Clip. This forces CapCut to render your video in the background for smooth playback. Wait for the percentage bar to hit 100%. Do not close it early. This is essentially your video exporting into a hidden cache file. Once it's at 100%, minimize CapCut. Press Windows+R, type App Data, and hit Enter. Navigate to Local, then CapCut, then User Data, then Projects. Open the folder named com.aveditor.draft. Look for the folder matching your project name. Open Resources, then the combination folder. Ignore any file ending in alpha. The other video file here is your fully rendered high-quality project. Open CapCut again. Drag and drop that file from the folder directly into your import box. Drag this new file onto your timeline. A pop-up will appear asking to replace clip. Select that. Now CapCut detects this as a standard video file. You can now go to the export window, select 4K resolution at 60 FPS, and export your video completely watermark-free. And that's it. You've bypassed the export block using the software's own cache system. If this video helped you out, please leave a like, subscribe to 1 Minute IT Shot, and I'll see you in the next one.